Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on magnifier in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on magnifier, we have to go to settings first. Then we are looking for accessibility options and visibility enhancement. We need to scroll a little bit down and here we have magnifier. When we enter here, we have we can add shortcut to allow us to open magnifier. So now we have a shortcut on the bottom right. We can also choose to press side buttons or tap 3 times the screen, but we will go with this little shortcut here. And as you can see, our magnifier is working while using this shortcut. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.